Hello everyone, you're watching Data Analytics Professionals. It's my humble request to get ready and let's learn some useful skills. Thank you. This is a lecture series on Amazon Web Services, AWS and Machine Learning. And the current task, which is the first task of this series, is how do I create and activate a new Amazon Web Services account. And this is my request. If you have already account in Amazon Web Services, then you don't need this lecture. But if you are new and you would like to learn AWS with respect to machine learning, then you have come to the right place. Well, the lecture is given by myself, and my name is Shanaz Malik, and I am a data scientist with a lot of experience and more than 50 certificates in data science field, which I'm going to share through this, the knowledge that I gained in my life, in my professional life. I'm going to share all with all of you guys through this channel. So stay tuned. If you would like to explain, ask me any question whereby we need to have some communication, constant communication, in terms of guidance or anything else, then please email me in the, and I will be happy if I could suggest or guide anybody in the process. Thank you. Before I proceed, it's my humble request, if you find this lecture useful, then please subscribe to my channel or course, and please like and share this video with friends and colleagues, and leave your feedback in the comment section. Thank you. Well, then let's get started and see how to create an account in AWS. And my request is please follow the steps as in order. Thank you. The first step is to go into go to the website portal.aws.amazon.com / billing and / signups, then hashtag / start. Okay, this is what you need to write in your browser. Okay, once you click on this website, this is the page which you are going to get. Okay, if you see portal.aws.amazon.com and with the extension. Okay, so once you are here, so here you see create an Amazon account. So we are going to give email address here. You can choose password, you confirm the same password, and you can choose name for Amazon Web Services account name. Okay, and then you go for continue. And I'm going to show you the steps, what steps you need to follow. So as I showed you, so you saw that create an Amazon Web Services account. So if you have signed into Amazon Web Services recently, then the button might say sign in to the console. Okay, so enter your account information and then choose the continue as I have shown you here. Okay, so we need to enter these need to enter your email address. So if you don't have an email address, you need to open one email address, and once you have the email address, password, confirm password, name, account name, and then continue. So It's important to understand that be sure that you enter your account information correctly, especially your email address, because that's used to communicate various communication from Amazon. If you enter your email address incorrectly, you won't be able to access your account. If create a new AWS account isn't visible, so then we need to first choose sign into a different account and then choose create a new AWS account. It's in case you won't see this. Okay, if you don't see this page, then this is what you need to do. So let's move on. So step number 4 is choose between personal and professional. And you need to note that personal accounts and professional accounts have the same features and function. Okay, enter your company or personal information and read and accept the AWS customer agreement. It's very important that you read what you are signing for, and please note, be sure that you read, and understand the terms, the AWS customer agreement, and that you are completely responsible to pay any charges incurred. That's why I request you to, read it. This is very important, as if you are going to use services and you're going to spin big data inside it, and you will start incurring charges, and for that you will be responsible yourself completely. So strongly recommended to read any agreements. Choose create account and continue. Okay, the next step is choose create account and continue once you set agree with the agreement. Now you need to remember that you will receive an email to confirm that your account is created. You can sign into your new account using the email address and password you supplied. However, you can't use AWS services until you finish activating your account. So this is very important. If you want to start AWS, then you need to finish the activating request. Now the next step is, if you see that add you will reach payment details. So on payment information page, you need to enter information about payment method and then choose the secure submit. Let me remind you, this is very simple. If you have ever opened a bank account, or you are doing purchases on Amazon, or the way you give your card details, your personal name, your address, your card details, and that's what you need to do basically here. So there's no point me showing you my way of doing it as we all do. This payment method is simple, straightforward, but if you still face any problems, you can write me in the comments section or email me, and I will be really helpful. I will do my best to help you to go through this, although you should not face any problems. So just note, if you want to use a different address for your AWS account, choose use a new address before you choose secure submit. Okay, this is just an additional note. So now is the turn for verify your phone number, as you are going to give your phone numbers, and Amazon wants to know that you are not a machine but you're a real person. So choose whether you want to verify your account by text, which is SMS, or a voice. It depends upon you, the way you would like to do it. So choose one of them. When I did, I received a voice call. So, and you can do whichever way, you can choose whichever way you like. Choose your country or region code from the list. Enter a phone number where you can be reached in the next few minutes. So as soon as you give the phone number, they will immediately either send you SMS or give you a call. I received my call within a minute. It might take few minutes, before some time, but just be patient. Once you have given the telephone number, just be patient, but be ready to enter the code, okay, that they sent to you. Okay, enter the code displayed in this, okay, CAPTCHA, and then let's move forward. So when you are ready, choose contact me. As I said, in few minutes an automated system will contact you. Note, if you choose to verify your account by SMS, choose send SMS instead. Okay, enter the pin you received by text message. You will receive a text message if you have, for example, choose SMS instead. So you will receive a text message, and if you have chosen voice call, then you will receive voice call, and then you need to choose to continue. Okay, all that they will give you, a code which you need to, or a pin that you need for to proceed in creating the account. Okay, now choose an AWS support plan. Once you do all that, you need to choose an AWS support plan. On the select support plan page, choose one of the available support plans. For a description of available support plans and their benefits, see compare Amazon Web Services support plans. Now, once you do all that, you need to wait for account activation. After you choose a support plan, a confirmation page indicates that your account is being activated. Accounts are usually activated within few minutes, but the process might take up to 24 hours in some cases. Okay, you need to remember, although my one was activated very much immediately. You can sign into your AWS account during this time. The Amazon Web Services homepage might display a button that shows complete sign up during this time, even if you have completed all steps in the process. So many have come to me that we have done all that, but it's still showing sign up. So don't worry about that. This can happen while the Amazon is collecting all information and doing the backend for you. Okay, when your account is fully activated, you receive a confirmation email. So I request you to keep a good look into your email that you have provided to Amazon. So after you receive this email, you have full access to all Amazon Web Services. Okay, so you will be, once you receive the confirmation, then you are good to go. So as I say that sometime it might take some time to activate your account. So if you see some delays beyond 24 hours, okay, then you check the following. Check the information associated with the payment details. Sometime what happens, your bank has not given permission to process the payment, so you need to check that. Sometimes the card numbers are invalid and stuff like that, and just check your card payment details are okay, everything is okay what you are providing. And in case everything is okay, if you have given correct details to process, then please contact your financial institute, which means your bank, where from the card which you are giving to them. Just check in case they have blocked the payment. Okay, if they have, just release it. Check your email for request and additional information. There might be, if these tools are okay, then keep on checking on your emails. Okay, if you won't find any these helpful, then of course it's good to contact Amazon themselves and see what they could advise you. But to be very honest, I think they take, as far as I remember, just please check with Amazon and documentation before. I think they take $1, just to check, but I think they refund it back, just to make sure that you are a real person and the details you are giving are all correct. So now this is all what is required to open an account in AWS, and this is my now humble request. If you have found this lecture useful, then please subscribe to my course channel, and please like and share this video with your friends and colleagues, and please leave your feedback in the comments section, as your feedback is extremely important to improve the contents of future videos, and growing audience gives me a lot more motivation to keep on making wonderful videos for all of you. Before I end, I would like to thank you all, and I hope to see you in next video, and I promise that every next video you watch, it will be improved from my end. And please remember, Sharing is caring, so don't forget to share. And remember, you are watching Data Analytics Professionals. Goodbye.